Today marks 1 year Tinubu in office. What do you think about Tinubu government for this 1 year, this last one?
See, come. God will bless you. Good morning to everybody in Nigeria and outside. Our viewers, God will thank them because they are hearing us. See, let us be frank with ourselves. Tinubu in 1 year in government is a meaningless. Meaningless. Zero. See, let me tell you one thing. It's not saying that if you pay the minimum wages, Nigeria will be bankrupt. What is the meaning of that language? Subsidy, they are still paying it. See, House of Assembly, they are collecting almost 20-something, 30-something million. Senator, House of Rep, 20-something million. Okay, what about the workers that are doing the work? You can't pay the minimum wage. Every day you take them to a corner, you do meeting. At the end of the day, the meeting no get liver. You don't get meaning. See, let us be frank with ourselves. They should bury their face in shame because they failed the test. You came with almighty authority, and now take it. You don't take it, you don't fall. You can't do anything. 1 year, no minimum, no sincerity in their heart, in their spoken word. All is propaganda. All is brainwash. How long will you be brainwashing Nigeria? We are tired of them. We are tired of them. We give them the pass mark of a zero. They don't have one, they don't have two, they don't have three. It's zero. 1 year, Nigeria is now abject poverty la tikita. Abject poverty la kritika. Wickedness suffering. When they say suffering and smiling those days, we should know that we buy things accordingly. When they say suffering and smiling, those days, you don't know, you see the buy a cara for kobo. But now, look at the motherfucking whole house we are. The continuity of our external language about the independence of today, say Independence Day or Democracy Day. Two of the language is not affordable. It's a zero language. See, you can't be celebrating when the people that you are governing, they are suffering, they are dying. Who is going to celebrate with you? Is it the few that you calculated and you arranged them douchey? See, we don't see douchey because we don't see anything to eat. Look about that woman that is selling on the table there. 1,000 naira can never even satisfy your stomach. So where are we talking? What are we saying? And where are we going? Just a 1 year is like a 100-year disaster for Nigeria. 200 million Nigeria. They are suffering in abject poverty that they never see in their life, in the history of Nigeria. Nigeria never come across this situation. You are telling me that we must suffer now to live tomorrow. How will we suffer now to live tomorrow? What of tomorrow? This that we are perishing, and Nigeria is perishing. See, let us be frank with ourselves. The truth is bitter, but the truth is the truth. Nigeria is not well at all. Truth is dead in Nigeria. They can't tell you the truth. Where will they tell you the truth? Because if they tell you the truth, they will out of the corridor of power. And they are going to be out of the corridor of power. Because one day, it can be night, it can be tomorrow. Too soon is coming. The NSAS, they never believe that NSAS will come. One day, NSAS came. All youth, face the federal government, face the state government, and they run and they surrender. Now, what is coming out is massive revolution. Youth, father, mother, brother, sister, small boy, everybody come outside and face them. Physical face, fire and kill all of us. Then they will know that no celebration of Democracy Day. This hungry celebration, suffering celebration, celebration of iniquity. Why in Nigeria? The giant of Africa with all mineral resources, go and see the paper, trillion, billion, where are the money? Liquidated in the pocket. You telling me to stand and celebrate? Celebrate what? Celebrate injustice? See, let us be frank with ourselves. The government on stand now is nowhere to be found because truth is not in their home. They try to brainwash Nigeria. This is the last plane. They say renew hope after change. Where will you be changing language? Because you know that the language you are bringing is to accumulate people. Accumulate people. At the end of the day, they don't see your secret. You not change the language. Change. Everybody run follow change. Change fail. Renew hope. Fail woefully. Take now your turn. Take it first. And now see the street of Nigeria. See everywhere. Wickedness of the demonic places. Never in the history of the Federal Republic. Nigeria outside, they are crying. Because the people here, they are hellfire. When you say hell, hellfire in earth. Here we experience it. You can't eat, you can't even walk, you can't even travel. All the other bandits, kidnapping, all unnecessary language is here now. Where? where's the government? Look, River State, Wike Fabara, problem. Look at the recent one in Kano. Game of throw. Can you imagine a palace and a two emir in the present situation? Lawlessness. How will you go live? You hear different story every day. Go to Edo State, the Oba and the governor. See, all those are particles of the head. When the head is do demonstration that is not available, that is not acceptable, the down will do it. All is doing it. And you say we are celebrating. See, let us compromise. Let us come together and let us do the reality. Let their mind check for themselves and let them speak the truth to you and I. That truth will set us free, and that truth we will know, yes, tomorrow is tomorrow, tomorrow is tomorrow. Know that tomorrow almost going to June and nothing is working. The suffering increase. Okay, who is liar? Me or the government? You say you will pay the minimum wages. How much do you pay? You don't pay 1 naira. You just brainwash the teachers and the workers. Why are you doing like that? The National Assembly, Akpabio, Governor, 8 years. Minister of the Nyanga. You not came. You not budget, you not party, so trillion to their own pocket. Where is that guy that bring the application? Everything is silent. Nigeria, everything you hear is story, is history. One day, Nigeria, father, mother, brother, sister, everybody will equip together and march to their house, march to the corridor of power. Let them know it happened in a country. They march to the Aso Rock, and the Aso Rock there, they run away. They will flee. See, let me give you an example. SARS, nobody believe that SARS and SARS one day will come like that. Every day you walk in the street, policeman will stop you. Brutality. One day, God say, now is the day. Take it. Nigeria cat fire. Just only
the achievement of Tinubu is that number one, the fuel price was increased. The price of food went up. Everything went up. Salary was nothing to write home about. And the man, our president, is saying that he inherited a country that was bleeding. What a shame. How can a president be saying he inherited a country that was bleeding, but they are no longer bleeding? What a shame. Listen to me, sir. This party called APC, Association of Political Criminals, has nothing but to deceive, to kill and destroy Nigerian citizens. They came in with change. This government came in with change. When they came in with next level. Now they came with renew hope. Listen, the Yoruba people used to say, Kinokpe, Iropo. This government is the worst Nigerian government, is worst and has nothing to offer. I want to say this. Nigerian citizens, it is high time we tell ourselves the truth. We have not started doing election. They are still doing what? Selection. That's my humble take.
Thank you. Good morning. Today's Democracy Day. What do you think about Tinubu 1 year in office?
God bless you, my brother.
Yeah.
What I'm thinking in Tinubu's 1 year. Tinubu 1 year in office is a year of suffering, sorrow, tears, agony, disappointment, failure. Tinubu has failed woefully. There's nothing good, not even one, good about him. Emiloko, yes, good and fine. And now you are there. You that play against this Delta man called Goodluck Jonathan at the rate of price of 120 naira to remove subsidy. The same you organized party. Now you did not remove it. Hear this. Tinubu did not remove fuel subsidy. He did not remove it. It's still going on. But how much are you buying fuel? How much do you pay to this bus stop from your house? How much were you paying before? Hello? And nobody, whole party, whether in the shop, in a room, concerning this. Nothing good has come out of Tinubu. There is a question in the Bible, can anything come out of Nazareth? But in the Bible now said, and Philip said to Nathan, he said, come and see. That something good has come out of Nazareth. At least something has come out of Nazareth. Until something come out of Tinubu regime, before I will speak good of him. As it is now, this 1 year, nothing has come out of him. Nothing good has ever. The only thing that has coming out of it is hunger.
No, they say they are doing Coastal Road. Coastal. Coastal Road. That is achieving Coastal Road.
Excuse me. Coastal, is it a name? I know one footballer's name called Costa.
Or Costa Biscuit.
And Costa Biscuit. Hello, my brother. You are doing Costa Road. For which people? The one that you have killed with hunger. The ones you are starved to weakness. Are they the one you are doing Costa Road for? Or are you doing it for your family? I want to know. There is hunger. How much was dollar before you are sent to the throne, Mr. President? You were the part of the people who criticized Jonathan regime. And you have done worst. You have done worst. How much was a derica of rice and derica of beans during Jonathan time? And you criticized him. How much is it now? You cannot buy the derica of beans with 1,000. Neither do you buy the derica of rice with 1,000. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Before a pint of gari, a pint of gari,
600, 700.
Oh, okay, you know.
I know now.
600, 700. Even
now,
that 700 is
you collect change.
It was 400. During our battle time, in case you were not born that time, maybe you people had a set of 2,000. During our battle time, the man that they call the worst government, during the time of Abacha, a bag of gari, when it becomes expensive, it was sold at the rate of 150 naira. Go to Guinness, that market in the Guinness, if you don't want to go bush market, you go there, you get it 450 naira, 400 naira. Gari, and how many pint of gari make up of one bag of red gari? 14 and a half, that was my business. 14 and a half pint and 15 sometimes make up of one bag of red gari. One bag of white gari, 19 and a half, 20. If you have excess, that is 21 pence. 141, the original, not this present derica price now. Oh, derica, original derica. 144 make one bag of beans. Go and check the one they are selling now. That time is that that bag that they used to so just is a long from there to here. Are you getting it? That was my business then during Abacha. How much? A bag of rice, December price, top price, Uncle Ben's. That was the best rice as at that time. Siemens. Our ladies. December price. December price. Do you hear me? December price. It was sold at the rate of 1,400. Ordinary rice was sold at the rate of 800 naira. December price. Are you hearing me? We are buying bag of this thing. We are hearing bag of, we are buying it that time. Bag of beans, 800, 600 naira that time. I said that was my business. When it comes to food store business, everything is here. I will tell you everything that is in each bag.
But now,
64 dericas make up of one bag of rice. Original derica, not this fake one. Are you hearing me? Everything is here. Are you hearing me? But this is a man. They call the worst government, the worst man ever in Nigeria. Tinubu, they don't come to your tongue. A miracle. Bag of derica of rice now is how much? 1,300 naira. Does this supposed to be so? Not even with original Derika, but with a fake Derika. Not even with the original paint, with the fake paint. How do we know original paint? Go and bring that paint, that Costa paint. You will see 1, 2, 3 lines. That is complete paint. But what you have in the market now is 1, 2. This is a business. I know what I am telling you. I'm a business. That is the business I run. Then, are you hearing it?
But do you see the price of my food item coming down?
Huh?
The food price of item coming down.
I pray so.
In a year time.
I am not saying, but I am praying for it. For that. Are you getting it?
Yes.
I am praying
for that.
For that. And I don't think that somebody like Tinubu can do that.
Why? Do you think that doesn't have the message of
I want to ask you a question. Have you ever seen anything go up in Nigeria that come down? It's a question. No, answer me now.
It's difficult.
How possible do you think that Tinubu can do it? Had they been that Tinubu can do it, he would have started from fuel price. At least, this fuel we are talking about is produced here in Nigeria.
No, it's not produced.
Hello, excuse me. No be our water, no be from there, then they bring them.
Now our crude oil.
Now our crude oil,
no be here they refine now.
Now our own. We have refineries.
But it's not working.
Wait, excuse me. What did you just say? Excuse me. You say it's not working. What make it not to work? The same time make it not to work. Let me tell you, Tinubu have refinery overseas. Where this oil will be taken to, and the refinery they will now come down here and begin to deceive me and you. What stop the refinery? What stop them from not repairing it? We have many refineries in Nigeria. Every day you are wasting money. Why not put that money in our refinery and put it in order? And let us start to do it here. Hello. Buhari spent 8 years in office. He could not even one refinery. Tinubu has started. They say prepared meter. Go to NEPA now, they adjust it. The way the money is running now, I don't know. I am telling you, the thing carry private, even missile itself. The thing is faster than missile. No, where are we heading to?
Nigeria.
Nigeria is not going anywhere. Listen again. When they were preaching there, I told them that there's nothing like one Nigeria. That word called one Nigeria is a scam. It's a scam. Do you know why I say so?
Okay.
Do you know why I say so? Can Igbo man rule Lagos State as a governor?
Not possible.
Okay, it's not possible. Can Igbo man go to Kaduna and rule Kaduna as a governor? It's not you. What again? It's not possible. Can Aboki rule Anambra as a governor? Is it possible? It's not possible. So why are we not one Nigeria? Don't you see that it's a scam?